can't take it anymore.
It's not my fault I have the hiccups, Kiki.
That's it. I'm telling Barley. He won't do anything about it, Kiki. Barley!
Hi, Kiki. How are you?
Terrible!
What's wrong now?
Literally, Sofie can't stop hiccuping. It's driving me crazy.
Kiki, I don't know what to do. If she has the hiccups, she has the hiccups. Let me go see. What's going on, Sofie?
They're getting really annoying, Barley. I can't stop hiccuping. Ooh, 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 I have an idea. What is it? Anything can help. Whiskers?
Boo! Oh, Kiki, that was meant to scare Sofie, not you.
I can't help if I get scared or not.
Well, did it scare you, Sofie?
No.
Let's see if Gobbles knows what to do. Gobbles! Yeah, I'm in the middle of reading my book. It's called How to... Yeah. Barley, just ask your question. Do you know how to get rid of hiccups? I mean, I read on Wikipedia that if you take a spoonful of peanut butter, they should definitely go away. Let me go get my peanut butter. Here you go.
Hey, I'm allergic to peanut butter. I'll have some.
I have no idea how to get these hiccups gone. Well, I recommend doing something that will keep your mind off the hiccups, Sofie.
Like what?
You can watch like a TV show or something.
Oh, yeah. I can watch season 2 of Once Upon a Beanie Boo.
You guys, where did Whiskers go?
Why do you keep doing that, Whiskers?
We are trying to get her hiccups away, don't you remember? So did it work?
I don't know.
Okay, it worked. Everyone get out.
Wow, thanks, guys. My hiccups are gone now.
No problem. She's thanking me. I was the one that did the research, and I was the one who scared her.
Finally, I can relax without hiccuping every 2 seconds.
Yeah, me too, Sofie.